Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to A Leap of Faith with Millie Ann Hill on this wonderful Monday afternoon on your drive back home, or if you're cooking supper for your whole family and your kids and your husband. Thank you for tuning in to A Leap of Faith. And today I'm in conversation with Cindy Gous. Good day, Cindy. How are you? Can you share with us what this journey through Star Starters has meant to you personally?
For me, Star Starters has meant so much more than just a competition. When I entered in 2023 and made it to the top 20, I was a very different version of myself. I had a lot of self doubt and insecurities, and I was still figuring out who I was. Coming back in 2025 was really about challenging myself and pushing myself to the limits and seeing how much I can actually accomplish. I won Director's Choice Award, which recognizes the most growth. That was incredibly special because it felt like a reflection of everything that I had worked on within myself over the years. Star Starters also taught me confidence, resilience, and most importantly, that growth takes time. And sometimes you have to come back and give yourself another chance. So for me, Stash Starters isn't about the stage or the title. It's about the woman I became throughout this journey. And that's something that I'll always be grateful for.
So, if you've just tuned in on this amazing Monday afternoon with Millie and Hill on A Leap of Faith, I am in conversation with Cindy Gous, and she's just told us about her journey through Star Starters and what it has meant to her personally. Cindy, what challenges did you face and how did you overcome them?
One of my biggest challenges was learning to believe in myself. And also, I had to stop comparing myself to other women. There were definitely moments where I questioned myself, but instead of allowing those moments to define me, I started using them as motivation. I worked on myself, I became more comfortable with who I am, and I learned that confidence isn't about never feeling insecure. It's about not allowing those insecurities to control you. That mind shift made a huge difference to me.
So, if you've just tuned into Leap of Faith with Millie and Hill, I'm in conversation with Cindy Gous. She is the Director's Choice of 2026, handpicked by Corin Miller. And if you've watched on YouTube season 7, her journey has been something so unique, something so special. And she is part of the 2026 winning circle, like I said, handpicked as Director's Choice by Corin Miller, the CEO of Star Starters. There's a title like that in every season. So, Cindy, being part of the winning circle is a huge achievement. What do you bring to this season to inspire others?
I think what I bring is the reminder that you don't have to have everything figured out when you enter Stash Starters. I want the contestants to know that their biggest competition isn't necessarily the woman standing next to them, it's the version of themselves they're capable of becoming. If I can encourage even one woman to believe in herself a little more, step a little bit out of her comfort zone, and realize her own potential, then I feel like I'm doing what I'm meant to do.
Karen, Star Starters CEO, selected you as the director's choice. What do you think she saw in you that made you stand out?
I think Karen saw something that maybe I didn't fully see in myself yet, and that is growth. When I entered in 2023, I was already a hard worker, but I think I was very focused on proving myself. By the time I came back, I had become much more comfortable, and I wasn't trying so hard to be perfect. I just wanted to be myself. And I think that's probably what stood out. The Director's Choice Award isn't necessarily about being the most perfect person in the room. It's about showing that you've taken the journey seriously, you've grown, you've faced yourself, and you have become a better version of yourself along the way. So, hearing that Karen saw that in me was honestly one of the biggest compliments I could ever receive.
So, if you've tuned in on this lovely Monday afternoon to A Leap of Faith, hello, listeners. Hello, everyone. How are you? I'm in conversation with Cindy Gous, Director's Choice title of 2026, also in the current winning circle of 2026, handpicked by Karen Miller, the CEO of Star Status. Cindy, you also took part in Dr. Now. Can you tell the listeners about that experience and how it shaped you? What lessons from Dr. No do you carry into Star Status, and how did they help you reach the winning circle? Dr. No focuses a lot on personal development. How did that journey influence your confidence and authenticity?
Dr. No was definitely a powerful experience for me because it wasn't just about the physical transformation. It actually made me look at myself from the inside as well. It pushed me to, confront some things that I had been insecure about and to realize that, confidence doesn't come from changing everything you don't like about yourself. It comes from learning to accept yourself while still wanting to grow. So that really connected with my Star Starters journey because authenticity became so important to me. I stopped feeling like I had to fit into a certain mold and started asking myself, like, who is Cindy and what does she actually want from this journey? So I think that mindset helped me reach the winner circle, to be honest, because I became much more comfortable showing up as myself. And yeah, the Dr. No show taught me that personal development isn't about becoming someone else. It's about becoming the best version of who you obviously you already are. You just have to tune into that.
So, if you've just tuned in to Leap of Faith, I'm in conversation with Cindy Gous. She was handpicked by Karen Miller, the CEO of Star Status. Please go follow the Star Status page, STERSTATUS. Please go follow. And she was handpicked as Director's Choice title for 2026 and also in the winning circle. And she's a lady of so many hats, a mom, and also the social media manager for Star Starters Season 8. She's truly a lady of many talents and many hats. Cindy, you are the social media manager for Star Starters Season 8. What does that role entail and how did it happen? Manning social media is a big responsibility. How do you balance it with everything else you do?
Being the social media manager for Stash Daughter Season 8 has really been such an exciting full circle moment. Like, I went from being a contestant, learning how to create content, to being the actual social media manager for a reality TV show. I must be honest, that makes me really, really proud. And yes, balancing it with everything else can definitely be a challenge, but because I genuinely love social media and I love Star Starters and I love storytelling, it doesn't really feel like it's like a job to me. I think the biggest difference now is that I'm not only experiencing the Star Starters journey for myself, I'm also helping other women tell their stories.
So, if you've just tuned in to A Leap of Faith with Millie Ann Hill, I'm in conversation with Cindy Gous, the current Director's Choice title holder, handpicked by Karen Miller, the CEO of Star Starters, and truly a lady with many, many hats and many responsibilities. One as a mom, one as a wife, one as Director's Choice title holder 2026, a current Winning Circle member, as well as the social media manager for Star Starters Season 8. And I know Cindy loves pranks, oh man, and she can catch you off guard at any second. So You're not even prepared. You won't be prepared because she is very good at it. Social media is her forte. I know you love pranks, Cindy. Can you share a fun moment or prank from your journey that really shows your personality?
Oh, this is a dangerous one, because I definitely love a good prank. I think what people sometimes forget is that competitions can become very intense. And I really believe you need those moments where you can just laugh, have fun, and just, be yourself and unwind a little bit. I think also that it is a big part of who I am. I take the important things really seriously, but I don't take myself too seriously. And honestly, some of the funniest moments and best memories from Stash Starters has happened when when you're unwinding and you're just being yourself behind the scenes.
Today, I'm in conversation with Cindy House, the Director's Choice title holder of 2026, current Winning Circle member, and social media manager of Starstarter Season 8. A mom, a wife, a lady so exceptional, so special, so precious, with many hats, truly an inspiration to other women. And Cindy, how do you balance authenticity with the demands of competition? Please tell me and the listeners.
I think authenticity is actually one of your biggest strengths in a competition like this because, for me, for a long time, I thought I needed to be a certain version of myself just to be accepted. But I learned that you can't maintain character for an entire journey. Eventually, the real you is going to show up. So I stopped trying to be what I thought people wanted me to be, and I just started focusing on, becoming the best version of myself. Competitions will always bring out comparison, but always remind yourself and others that, making someone else's light dimmer doesn't make your light shine brighter. And, I think when you can walk into a room and genuinely say, "This is who I am, take it or leave it," that's when you become truly confident. And that's probably the biggest lesson Stash Waters has given me. Don't lose yourself trying to win something, because if you lose yourself along the way, you've already lost.
It's so amazing to be in conversation today with Cindy House. And she's just told us a bit about her fun side and doing pranks. And thank you for tuning in to Leap of Faith with Millie Ann Hill. And Cindy House is the current Director's Choice title holder, handpicked by Gordon Miller, the CEO of Star Starters. Please go follow Star Starters. She's also the social media manager of Star Starters Season 8, a mom, a wife, and she's in the current winning circle. What advice would you give future contestants and finalists now who dream of reaching the winning circle?
My biggest advice would be to, don't enter Stash Starters and try to become someone else. Don't look at the other contestants and think, "Oh, she's prettier than me, she's more confident than me, or she has something that, I don't have." You obviously have something that nobody else has, and that's you. Don't be afraid of the difficult parts on the journey in Stash Starters. Sometimes the moments that challenge you the most are the moments that actually change you the most. I would also say, like, enjoy it. Enjoy it fully. Make friends, make memories, laugh, be uncomfortable, learn something about yourself, and just give it everything you've got. Because the winner's circle is absolutely amazing. But the woman you become along the way is actually the real prize.
Thank you so, so much, Cindy House, for your time. Thank you so, so much for your phenomenal input. Thank you for being such an impact and inspiration. Thank you for being so outstanding. And thank you for your part in my life. Thank you that I could do this interview with you. And thank you for your time, granting me your time. It's really valuable to me. thank you for being here today, and thank you all to all the listeners that tuned in. I really appreciate you too. Until next week.